I'm gonna be just a little bit filtered because my babies are in the background. So you gonna hear some toys and things. They might fight a little bit. Y'all hear Jayla, that was Jayla. She says, what's up? Jax is gonna say something in the background at some point, but that's what it is around up and through here because we are parents, okay? But y'all, I told you I was gonna be coming back with Fashion Forward Friday videos, makeup videos, etc., etc. So please be patient with me, okay? And because tonight we are going out to celebrate Valentine's Day, I thought I would show y'all what I decided to rock for Valentine's Day. And hopefully you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Hopefully you have a great week or weekend. If you don't celebrate, if you don't have a boo-boo in them, whatever, take yourself out, do something for you, boo, okay? So look, I want to look like a semi-decent human being, okay? With a little sex appeal on top of that. Because your girl's always wearing some kind of scarf or something because of the babies. And I'm always in some slippers and pajamas. So I decided to glam up a little bit, get my hair done, my makeup done, and I wanted to show y'all what I'm rocking tonight. So what I'm gonna do today that's gonna be a little bit different than my usual Fashion Forward Fridays is I'm gonna kind of take you through my typical day of getting ready for a night like this, okay? And I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Tonight is literally, I mean, we were on the verge, on the edge of almost not going out and doing a daggone thing. So if you want to know that whole story, just check out the description box down below and check out our daily vlog channel. It'll all be there so you can go ahead and check it out because like I had said, this right here almost didn't happen. I mean, legit, literally almost didn't happen. All right, so without further ado, check out how I went from looking like poo to doing me boo-boo. Ah, shoot. Look, okay? Go ahead. Roll that beautiful bean footage. I'm talking in my bathroom. Look, while I have you here and I have y'all's attention, I need to go ahead and put y'all on game on something that I promise y'all will totally turn your whole world upside down, y'all. This is the most novel idea ever, and it is such an essential part of my daily routine, especially now that I got the kids and I am always on the go and in a hurry to be somewhere, do something, run after somebody so they don't fall on their face. Y'all know how it is as a mama. So y'all know the struggle is all the way real, trying to keep yourself together, all right? When it comes to trying to get out the house, do things for yourself, get yourself together for a night out like what I'm trying to do today, okay? It is extremely difficult. My time is limited, right? I don't have a ton of help all the time, so I have to do things really quick, fast, and in a hurry. And y'all, I'm about to put y'all on game on something that I recently discovered that has been absolutely amazeballs for both myself and Juice, and it's this little bad boy right here. Bam! The Reme Glide and Shave Gel Bar. Now look, when I say this is the most novel idea in life, okay? This will change how you shave. And when I say shave, I mean shave everywhere. Your legs, your underarms, your face, or whatever. This is suitable for men and women, okay? And the thing that makes this even better is that you don't even have to be in the shower to shave your legs, your arms, your face, whatever, because everything you need is right here. That, in addition to the fact that you do not need shaving cream, shaving gels, all of that is in this little bad boy right here. So let me go ahead and show y'all just how freaking phenomenal this bad boy is, okay? First and foremost, you're gonna see on the screen, this is my Reme Shave Gel Bar, okay? Now, the really cool thing about this is the fact that you literally do not need to be in a shower to shave. You do not need shaving gels. You do not need moisturizing creams or any of that because this is literally your shave gel as well as a moisturizer in one. So what you see on the screen is the actual container, and within said container, that purple strip, that thick strip right there, that is your shave gel as well as your moisturizer, okay? So the great thing about this is that as you'll see on the screen, I am literally shaving my legs without having to physically be in the shower. Of course, I use the side of my tub to prop my leg up so I can shoot the shot for y'all so you can see just how easy it is to shave. So here's the really cool part. All you gotta do is dip the purple part in warm water so you can actually have your faucet right next to you. Just turn on the faucet, just wet it just a tad bit with some warm water. That will activate the actual shaving gel slash moisturizer that is on the actual shave gel bar, okay? You'll rub it on your legs, as you guys see here on the screen, and then shave. Now that purple strip that you guys see and what it is that I'm actually lubricating my leg with, the components of that is tea tree oil and coconut oil, okay? So that is where that moisturizing comes from. In addition to the fact that it gives you lubrication on whatever body part you're trying to shave, so it prevents nicks, razor bumps, razor burn, and all of that, all while moisturizing your skin at the same damn time. It is literally a 2-in-1 shave gel slash leave-on moisturizer, okay? And you'll see, I mean, it is just soft, soft, soft to the touch. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right here on the screen. Pop, boom, okay? And I'm gonna just put this in some warm water that I have right next to me, okay? And it's just gonna get a tad bit wet. And I just want you to see just how easily it glides on my hand. Look at that, look at that, look at that, okay? Literally, just so you guys can see close up what that does, okay? And so from there, whatever body part you're trying to shave, that will serve as your lubrication and moisturizer for you to be able to shave whatever body part that is. When I say I use this bad boy for my legs, I use it for my underarms, I mean, every possible body part. I mean, I'm talking about my 5 o'clock shadow, you know, my little stash that I grow, like, you know, right up and through here, which might need a little bit of touching up, but you know, I use this for every single thing. The other great thing is the fact that this is also great for men too. And you know, Juice is always self-cutting his hair. He's always having to taper his mane, right? And he's got very coarse hair. So this is also a great tool for men as well in those areas where they have a tendency to get razor burn and razor bumps and all of that. That is what helps prevent it. This is also great for your gym bag. It's great for travel and all of that. So if you don't want to go into the shower real quick to do a quick shave, or you need to shave under your armpits real quick, all you need is a little faucet, a little water, wet this with warm water, and you get to shaving and you're done. You don't have to have your shaving gel. There's no need for shaving creams. None of that. Everything is all in this right here. Y'all, when I say y'all will live and love this bad boy right here, I promise y'all, on everything I love, this has completely changed the way that I shave. It is so convenient. Another thing that you can do is throw this in your gym bag. So if you happen to go to the gym in the morning before work and you know, you don't feel like, you know, doing a long shower and having to do all of that in the shower at the gym or whatever, or if you're just on the go, generally speaking, there's a lot of times that, you know, I'm heading to the gym and I've already showered for the day and I'm about to change into my workout clothes and I'm like, oh, I got a little something under my armpits. I will legit just dump this in some warm water real quick and just do a quick shave before I head to the gym. It is so freaking convenient. I mean, leave it in your desk drawer at work. It's just a great, great little tool, and it's just small, convenient, and it takes an entire step out of your equation, actually an entire 2-3 steps out of your equation for actually shaving, okay? So make sure you guys check out the link down below. You guys already know anytime I work with a company, I always want to extend some savings onto you. So in the description box, you guys are going to see that there is a coupon code to get 15% off of your order, okay? And that is from me to you. It is Sandy15. I'll leave the coupon code right here. You'll use the link down below to go ahead and get you one of these. I promise y'all, y'all will thank me for this, okay? Thanks so much to Reme Shave Gel for sending these my way. Y'all, I even got a couple more, okay? I'm not even lying. Look, y'all are in my cabinet in the bathroom, and I have these right here ready to go, okay? That's how much we use these bad boys, and because Juice and I are always fighting with each other for these, I had to get him some too. So go down in the description box, check out the link, make sure you guys use the coupon code to get 15% off of your order, okay? And yeah, y'all, on to the rest of the video. Got me a little breakfast sandwich for me to eat on the go because I am out in the streets and I'm gonna be out for most of the day. So it's gonna be daddy daycare at the house. Juice is tending to the kids. Mommy needs to try to look like a regular human being. Someone that is not sleep deprived with baby twins that may or may not sleep in the cribs. Okay, so we're gonna try to look like a human being today and get glammed up for my zaddy. All right, so let's go. So first up, I went to go see my girl because y'all know I had to get my hair did. And y'all know I love sexy big hair, and that's the look we were going for. So she got me all the way together, honey. And y'all know because your girl got her hair done that she had to get her makeup done too. And y'all know because it was a special night and we don't get these nights very often, I really wanted to glam it up and get sexy for my man. So, as you can see, I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Cheers. Time to get my nails done, y'all. When I say my nails have probably been the worst, not these, I'm talking about my toenails. This is literally the worst they have ever been, like in life. Y'all. Hot mess, okay? So that's pretty much what I had to do to get like this, okay? Sometimes you need help. Sometimes you need people. Sometimes you need a team. Because y'all, I ain't got that kind of time no more, y'all. You know, it's rough out here in these Sesame Streets trying to be a mama. And I got twins and stuff. And you know, they just be fighting and stuff. Like, they've been fighting. Like, I walk in the house, they were fighting and stuff. But y'all don't want to hear that. If y'all want to hear the whole story, just go to the vlog channel. But in the meantime, between time, let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm rocking. Because look, me and my zaddy is going to go out and try to at least salvage the rest of the night, all right? So, as you guys can see here, let me show you my face, hair, and all that good stuff. As you guys saw earlier, I got my face beat. And yes, honey, she beat my face all the way to hell down. You hear me? I did tweak the makeup just a tad bit because y'all know I always do. And it's been hours since I went to see her. So, I mattified my makeup just a tad bit. So, all makeup deets will be in the description box down below if you guys are curious about the lippy I'm wearing. Because I originally had a red lippy, which is probably what you saw in the clip. I went ahead and changed it over to nude because y'all know Juice loves a nude lip. And he loves glossy lips, honey. Okay, because y'all know he loves the DSLs. It's not appropriate for the kids, right, Juice? No? Okay. So since everything is pretty much accented with gold, she went ahead and put some gold glitter on my eyes and all that good stuff, all right? Then I went to go see, well, actually before that, I went to go see my girl Valerie who did my hair. I did a little bit of retouching, so it's not completely done. I got to still brush it out a little bit because I'm just waiting for the curls to drop and cool off a little bit. So this is just the frazzled mommy status, okay? So if you see any hairs out of place, that's why, all right? And as far as jewelry, I got my normal wedding band and I've just got this leopard piece of jewelry here, okay, that's gold and leopard. We have a simple bangle, okay. We did what we could in a very short, very quick period of time, okay. I done got my nails done, as y'all saw. Y'all saw just how bad my feet were. Y'all didn't see when the nail polish was on because there was hardly anything there, okay. And of course the pièce de résistance, which is what I know y'all want to see, and that is this right here. Bam, 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 bam. That's what I'm talking about, baby. We on that MILF status. We try to, you know, have another couple kids. No? They try to have no more kids, baby. Triplets. Quadruplets. Okay. We won't do that tonight. I ain't gonna scare them off. All right. So let me go ahead and show y'all this outfit. Let me give y'all the bam again, okay? Y'all see the titties, okay? The baby titties, I had to be all quiet because, you know, the baby's in the background, okay? But I had to give him some of these sexy Haitian MILF curves, okay? And look, I'm going to leave all the information down below for where I got the dress from Honey Boo Boo. No alterations needed. However, I ain't even gonna lie. Your girl's been in the gym getting it in hunty. And so my waistline has come down. You're gonna be able to tell, okay, in this dress, hopefully, when I turn around. Let me go ahead and give y'all the side, okay? Because I done had twins, okay? Yes, honey, I had twins. Okay, it's at least something I could be proud of. Look, today was rough, all right? Okay, now, we got our shoes, okay? We decided gold. It's a little cold outside, so we were gonna open up them toes, okay? Even though they are pedicured underneath here. So we got our toes. We got a cute little set of just pumps, gold pumps. Y'all know I love my gold. And hopefully they don't look ashy. Put Vaseline on the mofos. Okay, let me give y'all the whole look at the outfit and back up for y'all. So we can go ahead and get out of here and go to dinner, honey. Bam. Can you see me, baby? All right. And then we go back here. Bam. Ba-bam. Bam. I look juicy. Good? Mm-hmm. All right. All right. All right, y'all. Look. You already know what to to do. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video if you love seeing Fashion Forward Fridays from your girl. If you want more, comment those down below. Comment down below, let me know what you guys have done for Valentine's Day, what you guys did for Valentine's Day. Did y'all get out for Valentine's Day? Whether you have a boo-boo or not, what did you guys end up doing? Make sure you guys check out Remae Shave Gel Bar down below. Thank you so much to them for being sponsors of this video. I promise y'all, y'all will not be sorry. That bad boy is everything on this earth, you hear me? And I have several bars and I'm using them things all this year, so make sure you guys check it out. Check out the link down below. Check out all the other links I left in the description box. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.